Big news for Seal M on Cross players. The official game token Shield X has now appeared on the Cross Game Token Dex, and this could be the beginning of the game's Web3 economy rollout. But here's something interesting. Even though the token is already listed, minting hasn't started yet, and right now the initial listing price is around $0.06 per Shield X token. So what does this mean for players, and what should you be doing before Season 1 ends? So let's begin. According to the official announcement on X, Shield X, the game token of Seal M on Cross, is now available on the Cross Game Token Dex. It currently has trading pairs with Cross and Cross D, which means it will eventually be tradable inside the Cross ecosystem. However, the developers also clarified something important. Right now, the listing is more of a teaser for the token launch because minting hasn't started yet. Minting is scheduled to begin after Season 1 ends on April 16. That's when players will finally be able to convert their Shield crystals into Shield X tokens. Now let's take a look at the DEX interface. We can see the Shield X cross trading pair already listed on the Cross Game Token Exchange. The current listing price is around $0.06, which is roughly 1 cross per Shield X according to the pair. But here's something interesting, there is currently no trading volume yet. That's because players still cannot mint Shield X tokens from their Shield Crystal. So even though the token is already visible on the DEX, the market hasn't actually started yet. This is basically the preparation stage before the real trading begins. Another thing we can see is that the order book is empty, which again confirms that the token is not circulating yet. Once minting opens after Season 1, this is when we'll likely start seeing real market activity, buy orders, and price movement. Even though this is just an early listing, it's still a big step for the game. First, it shows that the token infrastructure is already ready. Second, it gives players an idea of the initial reference price of Shields X, which right now is around $0.06. And third, it confirms that the Season 1 rewards will soon connect directly to the blockchain economy. For players who have been grinding in Season 1, this means that your Shields crystal could soon become tradable tokens. Right now, the best thing players can do is keep stacking Shields crystals before April 16, because once minting goes live, those crystals can potentially be converted into Shields X token that can be traded on the DEX. So if you're playing Seal M right now, this might be the time to maximize your farming, ranking, and seasonal rewards. Until then, it's all about stacking as many Shields crystal as possible before minting begins. If you want more update about Seal M on Cross and Web3 gaming, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.